In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your ConvertKit subscriber list. This is an essential skill for anyone who's using ConvertKit to manage their email marketing. Whether you want to back up your data, move your subscribers to another platform, or just analyze your audience better, exporting your subscriber list is a straightforward process. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, you'll need to log into your ConvertKit account. So go ahead and open your web browser, type in convertkit.com, and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, which is packed with lots of useful tools and options. Now look for the Subscribers tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on that tab, and this will take you to the page where all your subscribers are listed. You'll see various details about each subscriber, such as their email address, subscription status, and even any tags or custom fields you've added. It's a good idea to take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout if it's your first time accessing it. Once you're on the subscribers page, you might notice a small button labeled Export. This is what you will need to click on to start the export process. When you click that, ConvertKit will prompt you to choose what exactly you want to export. Most users opt for exporting all subscriber data, but if you're looking to only export a specific segment or group, make sure to select the correct tags or filters before proceeding. After you've made your selections, go ahead and hit that export button. ConvertKit will then begin preparing your file for download. Depending on the number of subscribers you have in your account, this could take a few moments. Be patient. It's working behind the scenes to gather all of your information into a neat little package. While you wait, let's quickly cover what the exported file will typically include. When the export is complete, you'll receive a CSV file, which is a format commonly used for transferring data between different applications. This file will contain all the email addresses along with other essential information such as names, subscription status, and tags. Having this information on hand can help you in many ways, from creating targeted campaigns to analyzing your audience's engagement. Once the export is ready, ConvertKit will send you an email with a link to download your file. Keep an eye on your inbox. When you receive that email, click on the link and your CSV file should start downloading immediately. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder just in case it got filtered. When the file is downloaded, locate it in your computer's downloads folder and open it using a spreadsheet program. Programs like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or any other CSV-compatible software will do the trick. Once you open the file, take a moment to verify that all the data looks correct and complete. Now that you have exported your subscriber list, what can you do next? Well, you can import this list into other email marketing platforms if you're transitioning away from ConvertKit, or you can analyze the data to gain insights into your audience demographic. Many marketers use this data for improving engagement or segmenting their audience for higher conversion rates. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your ConvertKit subscriber list. It's a simple and efficient process that gives you greater control over your subscriber data. If you found this video helpful or learned something new today, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Your support means a lot and helps me create more tutorials like this for you.